Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making easy cinnamon sugar pull-apart bread with glaze. This recipe transforms frozen bread dough into a mouth-watering treat. It's great for breakfast, brunch, or as a snack. So let's get started. Thaw one 1-pound loaf of frozen bread dough according to package directions. Spray an 8 by 4 inch loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray and then set it aside. Place 1/4 cup of butter melted into a bowl and set it aside. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now stir this together and then set it aside. Now divide your thawed bread dough into 8 pieces. And lightly roll each piece into a ball. Now place a couple of them into your melted butter and toss it together until it's evenly coated. Then transfer them to your cinnamon sugar mixture and toss together to coat. Now place them into your prepared loaf pan. Now repeat with your remaining dough. Now cover this with a piece of plastic wrap sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Now let this rise in a warm area until it doubles in size. This should take about 1 to 1.5 hours. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Remove the plastic wrap and bake in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. Then remove from oven and let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then run a knife around the edges of the pan and remove the bread. While the bread is cooling, we can make the glaze. So in a bowl, add 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Drizzle this over the top of your warm bread. And here it is. Easy cinnamon sugar pull-apart bread. And this is also great topped with cream cheese frosting. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Cinnamon sugar pull-apart bread. Thaw 1 pound dough, frozen dough. Now repeat with your remaining doughs a ball. Wait. Now repeat with your remaining balls. Oh no, no. Balls of dough, ball doughs.